Let's now take a look at how to use the Formine. Now we see a simple Excel file with a data table, where the column headers are properly arranged. The Excel file containing the data table is added. Now we see another example Excel file where we will fill in the data. The Excel file where the data will be filled in is added. The relevant column in the data table is selected, and the target cell in the Excel file is specified. Then the Match button is clicked to add the mapping to the table. The file name to be saved is set, and the Start button is clicked. The process completion is awaited. Once the process is complete, the Download button is clicked to save the file. As you can see, automating your forms prepared in Excel is very easy this way. Make sure that the Excel program is installed on your computer. See you in other projects.